Ano bang shade nyo sa L'Oreal Paris Fresh Wear Foundation? Okay, I got 3 shades here. And ang gamit ko dyan is this warm 125. Swatch natin lahat para makita nyo. So, ang gamit ko dyan is this. This shade 125. Ayan. As you can see, it has warm undertone. Next, they have naman the neutral undertone, shade 20. Actually, I have neutral undertone and I have light skin. Okay, pero itong neutral nila, it's a little bit whiter on my skin tone. Next is shade 130. Ito naman, cool undertone. Again, shade 125, this is their warm undertone. Next is shade 20, it has neutral undertone. And next is their cool undertone, which is 130. Okay. All these shades works on my skin tone kasi nga I have neutral undertone. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan, oh, di ba? Shade naman nito is 130. So, ayan, nag-work siya, nag-work din sa akin. Pero ito yung pinaka-gusto ko kasi ito yung pinaka-close sa skin tone color ko. And it has golden undertone. Kaya gustong-gusto ko talaga. Diba? Kita mo yun, ang bilis i-blend. So pretty mga girls, as you can see, may luminosity na binibigay. Apakaganda po nitong foundation ng L'Oreal. Again and again, hindi ka nito iiwan sa ere kasi long-lasting. And kahit na I have oily T-zone, girls, ang ganda niya pa rin sa skin ko. Again, you just have to set it with powder. So if you like this L'Oreal Paris Fresh Wear Foundation, alam mo na yan, ilalagay ko dyan sa yellow basket and I hope may mapili kang shade mo. Yun lang. Bye!